Today I'm going to show you how to bind books. These books that we're going to be binding are basically books that get a lot of use and pages are falling out. Maybe the back of the book itself is starting to rip. It's not really for books that are like very valuable and maybe like a collectible. What I'm going to show you today is basically a way to strengthen the book and to let it really last a lifetime, and you'll be able to get a lot of use out of it. Here's some examples of some books we want to fix today. We see that these are not necessarily high value books, but they're books that get a lot of use in our family. And you see that the back starts to come off the spine, and we see also we have here, this is like an atlas. We see that if we open up, we see that it's separating from the original pages over here. So these are all the type of things that we're going to fix, and we're basically going to strengthen the book to make it really not necessarily look like new, because we're going to be using tape and string, but it will definitely look nice and clean. It'll look something like this, which is a children's book. We see that we put tape on the corners to protect them. All the damage that we saw before on the spine of the book, we actually sewed string down the middle of the book, and we made it so that no pages, be very hard for pages to fall out. So this is really going to give the book a lot of support, and this will be in our family for many years, a book like this.